What's up guys? In this week's video, I'm going to show you a mini yarn haul, plus show you the random generator that chooses what I should crochet next. Let's get started. I'm doing this bumblebee gnome, and I don't know who to credit for this. I found a couple of people that like where you can't see the color change. What you do is you go through the back loop, and then I already did the color change, so I just kept it in here. I didn't fasten off or anything. And just pull through like you're doing a slip stitch. And then once you go around, I'll show you what to do next. But you're just going to go into the next one and crochet around like you would do normally. Okay, so now that I'm towards the end, remember you have that front loop that you skipped. So you're going to go through that front loop and then go through the other two. So you're just going to go through all three and then finish it off, finish that stitch off. I think it looks pretty good. You can still see where it is, but I mean, I think it looks pretty good. And that's what I've been doing. I don't know who to credit for this because there's a couple of YouTubers on here that have already done this before. So I'm not trying to take the credit for anything here. I just wanted to see how I can make it look a little cleaner. Let me keep going and then I'll show you the finished product. This guy, I gotta do the hat, the nose, and the beard, but this is where the color change had happened. It doesn't look too bad, but yeah, I'm definitely going to continue using that for these minis. I'm going to make 2 of these, and then I'll be done with 2 more mystery eggs, and that will mark, what, 6 mystery eggs done out of 12. I'm going to finish the body of the bumblebee gnome, and I'm debating whether I want to do the beard to this, because I have the wings set up to where I want them, but obviously I just need to sew them up. But yeah, now I'm debating, should I even do a beard? I think it looks cute just with the wings. I got 2 of these made. I just need to sew on the wings to both of them, and then those will be done. And that will be 6 eggs out of the way. Then I can move on to the other 6, but in the middle of the 6, I know I wanted to get these done at least today, but I don't think that's going to happen. So I want to switch gears. I'm going to do the random generator. I can see what I'm going to crochet next. You'll see in a little bit. So I sewed on the wings. The wings are a little further apart than I would like, but you know, that's fine. For the first bee, and plus it's a mini, I think it's fine. Yeah, I just wanted to show you the finished product. It is going in here. The nose. Here's a random generator. I got done with my 6 eggs. Let's go and see. I have everything on here that I need to do. Have it all listed here, what was on my list in my book. Let's give her a spin. I was so hoping for that. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. So it says that I gotta make some baskets. Let's do it. So this is the Easter basket that I had chosen to go with. It's by Rebecca from Yarn and Chai. This is on her blog. It's actually free to follow, but I'm not gonna go down anymore. She does use cotton yarn for this, and I'm just gonna go with worsted weight yarn. But yeah, she uses cotton yarn. And she actually tells you how much you need for your cotton yarn. I really don't think you need that much for it, just because you're going to be splitting the colors. Just in case you wanted to see what pattern I was going by, this is it. I do use her baskets a lot. I feel like they're more sturdy and they actually take shape. And so if you're looking for, you know, perfect Easter baskets or baskets in general, I use several of her baskets for like home decor or just like storing some of my yarn. And yeah, let's do it. Got another package. This is what came in the package. Got I Love This yarn in Dark Country Blue. I usually use this for my Oddish, that Pokemon character. It probably won't be the basket, but I'm thinking of actually making the character this time. And then I did get this, another I Love This yarn, Blueberry Buckle. I thought these colors kind of reminded me of like a whale. It's like kind of purpley with a little blue in there. And then this is the yarn that I was talking about last week for you to guess what I would be making with this black marble. I just thought, man, it comes in my favorite yarn, so soft. So I can't wait to start making the little projects with this. And that's it. That's my mini yarn haul for today. I'm going to get back to you working on this basket. This is as far as I got. I'm going to do yellow, pink, and then I have a purple color, which is going to be the third color. So this is as far as I got on the basket. I think it looks pretty dang good. The thing I don't like about it, which I could have looked it up too to see like how I can make this invisible, is this little crease right here. This is from the chain one and then slip stitch. I don't know, it kind of bothers me a little bit. But what I did here, it's a double layer. So in this, it's like all of her other baskets that she had made. She puts canvas in here and then folds this over so that it's actually really sturdy. Now, I love making her baskets. They're my go-to for just making any type of basket. This is the canvas I was talking about. Just a plastic canvas. It's a little bigger than this when it comes in, but I obviously cut it. This is what was left over. I used 2 of these inside of here just because one only goes like partial. So I wanted the other one to, you know, make it fully wrap around the basket. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to sew in this part. She doesn't say to sew it, but that's my personal preference. And then I will get to the white handle here in a little bit. I wanted to do this white strip across, but I don't like the way it looks right here. You can kind of see the yellow in. I thought the white strip would have looked really nice to separate the colors, but I guess it looks okay like that. Everything is sewn in. I just need to do the handle. Another thing I wanted to mention was like I did follow Rebecca's pattern. Sorry, the dog is barking at the mailman down at the bottom of the hill. She had it like 16 wide. I ended up just doing 10, and I thought it was decent size enough. Like, I don't know how to show you the size difference. I mean, I guess here's my phone, and that can fit in there just fine. So I got another package. This one is from Kayla's Crafts, and this is the color palette. I believe this is Cupcake, but it was kind of thick. It's thicker than Posh. 136 yards, but yeah, this is the deluxe version. And then I ended up getting this brown because I wanted something for sunflowers, the middle of the sunflower. Couldn't find the color on this, so this is just a regular ball, not the deluxe. So I think this one is chocolate. I ended up getting 2 of those, and then 2 cinnamon, and then 2 naked. Now the feeling of this actually reminded me of the Posh yarn. It's softer. This one is Posh. Pretty close in color. And got this with my order. Cute little duck. And so here is the basket. And finally figured out the handle here. So I did put some of this plastic canvas in there. I doubled it up and put it inside, and then that's the basket. What's next on our random generator? All right, so we just finished our baskets. Let's see what we're going to crochet next. All right, balloon dogs it is. I have the perfect yarn to start this one. Let's do it. In the middle of making my balloon dog, I am using I love this yarn, Sea Spray. I think the color is actually mixing in quite nicely. I can't wait to see the end result. This is Tuesday the 18th. This is what I got. The basket did take me a little bit because the handle, because it's not like what was suggested on Rebecca's pattern. It was actually just something I made up. But that's my update. I'll see you in a little bit. What is this, you ask? Well, let me show you. Okay, so this is what it actually is. It's a table arch. So it's not this short. We do have more extensions, which is right here. I do have all of these extensions to make it taller or wider, but I just wanted a table arch so I can actually hang stuff on the table instead of bringing my other thing. Well, there's a lot of stuff on there, so hopefully they allow me to do this because the bazaar provides the table. So hopefully I can do this with their table. This is what I was talking about, really thick grippers. It actually will protect the table, whatever table I put it on. So hopefully this will work. Balloon dog done. Don't mind the noise in the background. That's just James playing on his tablet. Don't mind the setup. I wanted to show you my spin the wheel generator, and I wanted to use my mic. That's why you're set up like this, or that's why I'm set up like this with the headphones. Okay, so the spin the wheel app is what it's called. You can edit your list any way you want to. You can pause if you want to look at my list. But okay, so the rule for this, my own rule, is I'm going to keep everything on my list and not delete anything as soon as I do it. So like I did the baskets. I'm not going to delete it off my list because I need more baskets. So I'm going to keep it on there. I think it's a pretty cool, pretty fun app. Keeps me motivated to continue doing this. I'm going to spin the wheel. And perfect. So we have plants, which I was already thinking of doing plants anyway with, actually I have this. So this was made like 2-3 years ago. What I'm thinking is I'm going to do some strawberries and then put that like as a hanging plant. So that just means I need to macrame a little net just to fit this in. I do weigh these down with marbles before stuffing them, so it can actually have a little weight instead of just, you know, flopping over. So far, all of these spin the wheel worked up in my favor because I just really wanted to do most. I was already thinking of doing most of these things that day, so perfect. Let's get started on some plants. I did get this strawberry finish. This is what it's going to look like once I'm going to have like a chain coming from there with, you know, little leaves and going all the way to the top up until there. I got 4 red. I just need to make the leaves for it. And then 1 pink so far. I'm going to make another pink, but I wanted to show you that I use marbles to weigh them down. So I put a marble in there, put stuffing around it. So it's a little on the hefty side. Yeah, so I need to make 1 more pink and then I'll be able to work on the leaves. Okay, so my camera died. I'm not going to be able to finish this plant hanger for the video. I'm definitely going to have it finished today. I just want to be able to upload this video today. And so it will be a premiere for next time. Anyway, if you don't know what I'm trying to do, here's a little sample of what I did before with my plant hangers. But this time it's just going to be with strawberries. So I'm going to have 4 red ones, which are going to hang lower, and then 2 pink ones, which are going to hang a little higher because, you know, they're not ripe yet. I do have one more thing to show you before I sign off. I did end up getting my last yarn haul from Joann. They were telling me it was, you know, out of stock, I guess, and for some reason they had it in stock, so it did take a long time to get here. I guess they were just trying to fulfill my order. So what color did I get? I think I know. Yes, it is. It is Spa Variegated. It's really pretty. So I did get some strawberries done. We got this strawberry. And we got these ones. I'm pretty sure I already showed you, but I didn't have the little seeds in there. I put seeds in the pink one too. All I need to do is make the leaves for these, or do you call them leaves when they're on there? Fill the plant hanger with plant pot with leaves as well. And then I wonder, I think it comes with or strawberries grow little flowers on them too. That's all I can make for today. I wanted to upload this video today, so I'm going to cut it right there. That will be my premiere project for next time. So tune in next week to see what it looks like then. I will probably do more spin the wheel. I really do think it motivates me to do more projects this way, so I'm not just continually doing the same project. Sorry, I fidget a lot. So I don't continually do the same project over and over again and get tired of it. Yeah, so I think that will be it. Oh, next week, Premier Yarn will deliver. I'm going to try it out. I'm not usually a thick yarn type of person, but ever since I did this one, and I worked with velvet a lot, like the Velvet Premier Plus, I've worked with that a lot, so it's just, I've always worked with the worsted weight yarn. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching until the end. If you have any suggestions on what I should add to my random generator, let me know in the comments below. I'm pretty much going Easter themed, so just throwing that out there. But other than that, I will see you next time.